Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get rid of static noise in Audacity. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Audacity app on your PC. Once it launches, you'll need to select the audio you want to work with. You can either click and drag to select a specific portion of your audio, or simply double-click on the audio track to select everything. Choose whichever option works best for your needs. Next, click on Effect in the top toolbar. This will open a drop-down menu with various audio editing options. From there, hover your mouse over Noise Removal and Repair, and then select Noise Reduction. This tool is specifically designed to identify and remove unwanted background noise from your recordings. In the noise reduction window that opens, click Get Noise Profile. This step is crucial because it teaches Audacity what the static or background noise sounds like in your recording. The software will analyze the selected portion and use it as a reference for cleaning up the rest of your audio. Now press Ctrl and A on your keyboard or simply double-click the audio track again to select the entire recording. This ensures that the noise reduction will be applied to your whole file, not just a small section. Click on Effect in the top toolbar once more, hover over Noise Removal and Repair, and select Noise Reduction again. This time you'll be applying the actual noise reduction effect to your audio. In the Settings panel, look for Noise Reduction and enter 12 dB, or you can use the slider right beside it to adjust the value. This controls how aggressively the software removes noise from your audio. Below that, you'll see Sensitivity. Enter 6 here, as this determines how selective the tool is when identifying noise versus actual audio content. Next, look for Frequency Smoothing Bands and enter 3. This setting helps smooth out the audio after noise removal, preventing it from sounding too harsh or processed. Before finalizing everything, click Preview to test how your audio sounds with these settings. Listen carefully to make sure your voice or main audio still sounds natural and clear. If the voice doesn't sound okay to you, reduce the noise reduction amount until it sounds more balanced. You want to remove the static without making your recording sound muffled or distorted. Once you're happy with how it sounds, click OK to apply the changes. Your audio is now cleaned up and free from that annoying static noise. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.